the I will do kind of testing for you. Turn on the changes the switch key first. Switch it. Okay. 然后 Enter System 到这里来，看不到。Elite, RF, SHR, Young Laser, we try one by one. Elite first. Hair remove, skin rejuvenation, pigmentation therapy, vascular therapy, acne therapy, wrinkle therapy. Okay, and we offer 3 standard filters. 1, 2, 3 here. I will show you. This is the handle. Okay. We use this for hair remove. Here you can adjust the energy. We can start from this. Try on the floor first. Click on ready. Okay, we try on floor first. Put some gel on your skin first. First, you need to shave the hair here. You need to shave the hair first, then put gel on your skin. It's doing like this. Okay, click on standby. See, these are all same. Skin rejuvenation is same. Click on ready. Pigmentation. You can change the filter. Okay. Let's fill up. Acne. Wrinkle. Now we try SHR. SHR is a faster hair removal. We can try. We can start from 20. Here you don't need to adjust. Click on ready. Ready. Okay, this is the SHR mode. Now we try RF. This is the RF handle. You can adjust the energy. We start from 1 or 2 is okay. Here you can choose the models continuous and pulse. You can use continuous. Click on ready. Press this button to start. Put some gel on your skin first. Put gel on your skin first. Then press this button. It's a little warm. You can adjust the power if you think it's not enough. Okay. It's much warm now. Okay. And we offer you 3 different tips. And the last one is the air laser handle. This one. Click young. And here you can adjust the power. 1200 frequency 1 to 10. We can test one. This is a carbon gel, carbon peeling tip. Put some carbon gel on your skin. They use this tip to do the carbon peel treatment. We can ready. We use the foot pedal to operate this handle. And you can adjust the frequency. 4. Okay. Stand by. Then we try another tip. Okay, this one 1064. 1064 is for Okay, this is 1064. 1064 is for the black and brown color tattooing glue. Try it. Okay. The last one, we try the 532. Can remove the colorful tattoo. It also can remove black color. Okay. Okay, this is how to operate this machine. Thank you.